how to change username on Reddit. So if you want to change your username on Reddit, then first of all you have to open up your Reddit application. And after opening your Reddit, now you can simply go for the upper right corner, which has your profile icon. And then if you go to my profile, here you won't have an option to change your username, right? So what you can do is you can simply go back, and then if you again tap on your profile, which is on the upper right, here you will have your username, right? So you can simply tap on that username, and here you will have your username. So after tapping on that username, if you have an option to change your username, then you can change your username. So if you don't find that option there, then it means that you have recently created your account or you have recently changed your username. So if that is the case, then you have to wait for 30 days, and after waiting for 30 days or after your account has been 30 days old, then you can change your username. You will just have an option to change your username right here. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.